Hello, my name is Hugh Belamiah Long-Bottom, and I'd like to take you today on an adventure through the African Savaaaaaaaanna and beyond in this Norfolk paradise.
Hello.
Join me and my colleague, Urban Hollins, on this
My name's Bob Hollins.
magical safari
My name's Bob.
of animals of unknown origin and beyond the imagination weirdness. Yes. Let's go. What do we have here? You can't see anything. What do we have? A boob-book owl. Boob-book owl. A boob-book owl.
Boobuk.
Boob-book.
Boobuk.
Hello, Mr. Boob-book. Oh, can't see you at all because my camera is broken. Hello. Boob-book owl.
In New Zealand. Dad.
Yes. The Vonda Dickens hornbill. Vonda Dickens hornbill. Hello? Vonda Dickens. Mr. Vonda Dickens hornbill at your service. Yes, another fine specimen in this shed. It is indeed Rothschild's minor. Yes. Rothschild's minor. Hello, sir. Good day to you. Ah, yes. The one-legged pink swan. I don't think these are real. I think these are all made from plastic. And how the hell are they not falling over? This is not right. Mr. Goose. What is this in here?
Hello.
They've got an indoor swimming pool.
They're alive.
Bloody hell.
The plastic are alive.
Doing all right around this part of the woods.
They're alive.
Okay. Oh, he's got 2 legs. That was not real. He's got 2 legs. Get out of here. 2-legged man.
They all have 2 legs.
If you blow really hard, you might want to push him over. No. The pink swan. The one-legged pink swan. What is this? A lesser spotted dog cat.
That can meow.
And has a very, very small kitten meow, which is weird. Oh my god. Good lord. I can see a head. And there we have it. The long-necked donkey. The arse of a long-necked donkey. It is incredibly smelly in here. I do believe they need to shower more often.
Oh, look at all the droppings.
It does smell incredibly stinky in here.
Look at all the droppings. They're stepping.
Excuse me. Do not know how to use a toilet. Bloody hell. What is this cat? Hello. Bloody two of them. Hello, get it? Are you there, sir? Ugh, bloody common, get it? Peasant. I see the giant flat-faced chicken. He's capable of unscrewing his head. I do believe you may be pissing him off. Oh my god! Look at these spicy chickens. You spicy? You look spicy. Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Now I've been really excited to see these ones. This is the red-headed pigeon. Yes. Red-headed pigeons. Aren't they beautiful? Bloody beautiful. What the hell do we have here? Alpaca. Are you sure they look like bloody llamas to me? Anyway, Namaste. Namaste to you. let us continue on our magical adventure through the African Norfolk wilderness. Bloody hell, mate, it's a kookaburra. What are you doing in bloody Norfolk, mate? Bloody freezing. The African barcode horse. Found it finally. Look at them, majestic, aren't they? Rumour has it if you scan them, you get mincemeat from Tesco's.
How much money?
Just a rumour. Anyway, good day to you. Good afternoon. Do you happen to know the way to the coffee shop?
Do you know Harry Potter?
Oh,
I'll take that as a no.
don't look at me so aloof.
Do you know Harry Potter?
Are you even awake, sir?
I don't think he's awake. Do you know Harry Potter?
Strange fat-faced chicken. What's this guy doing?
Oh, that's a bit rude.
What is this? Oh, it's a bird. I like your trousers.
Do you know Harry Potter?
Very nice trousers.
Do you know Harry Potter?
These two have obviously had a little too much of the puff. You can't even open your eyes, sunshine. You need to think about what you're doing in your life.
Do you know Harry Potter?
Good day. Milky owl.
Very distinct eyebrows.
He's got very distinct eyebrows. Very impressive eyebrows. Son. I reckon all these fat-faced chickens have been on bloody reefer all day. Look at the state of them. Get a job. Now, one of the most sought-after attractions at this zoo is the mountain snow sleep cat. Very difficult to spot though. And just generally asleep all the time. Cheers. I wonder if we get a refund on these tickets. They're all asleep or on puff or something. I don't know. Bloody hell. Now here's a rare treat. The sand donkey. Now you usually see these in the wild with one hump, but because it's England, we've upgraded them with two humps.
The reason they have two lumps is because someone came over and smacked them with a bat.
Well, rumour has it they carry their drinks in there. I don't see how that works in practice, but hey ho. Yes.
Going to,
An upgraded one hump sand donkey.
they go into.
What the bloody hell is the point of all this on your backs? I mean, how do you not fall over?
I have no idea.
They do like showing their arses, don't they?
Yes.
That one doesn't have a head. Oh, it does have a head. No, it's just backwards. Lord almighty. I do believe these are called children. Ugh. Look at this.
There's also emus.
We found the kangaroos. Kangaroo
An emu.
is a cross between
Daddy.
a bird and a dog.
Dad.
This one has no head.
What?
No, it was just bending down. It's fine. Famed for having a pouch in which they keep their jelly babies.
Daddy,
This
look
one
down.
is sleeping. This one is sleeping.
Look down.
Oh my god, what is this?
It's an emu.
It is a large, hairy, feathery ball with a leg.
It's an emu.
Get an emu. There's another one. What is this? They look like toupees. Walking toupees, I tell you. Oh, no, it has a head. There it is. Very strange. Very strange.
They're very nice.
Wow. The quality of the animatronics are... Oh, no. It was real. Good day, Mr. Goat. How very rude. My colleague is going to take us on a tractor tour to the island. Can you start her up then, sir? Hold on, let me check the oil.
It's broken.
Oh, bloody hell, someone's nicked the distributor cap.
What are you doing?
Dear. No, this will not do. What is this tiny fluff ball doing? Absolutely bloody nothing. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, sir. Should be productive. Bah.
Get a job.
Oh my god. What happened to your ears?
This is known as the
Jesus
fluff
Christ.
ball.
It's difficult to know which is the frontal or the back of you, isn't it?
This is known as the fluff ball.
More of them fluffy circles down there. Good Lord. He's a speedy little bugger, isn't he? What in the good Lord is this? Bloody plastic cows. I want my money back. This is not real.
Her name was Betsy.
And they think they can fob us off with these toys. I say, get off her boobies. You're brave. These things are man-eaters, don't you know? This one particularly, I think this one might be broken actually. You do know that's wood, don't you? God, we've got a £1 coin to put in this one. I want to see what it does. Left my wallet in the car, didn't I?
There we go.
Nope. Oh no, it's real. It's real. It's fine. Let's move on.
No wonder.
I say, it's a bloody lovely ride on you have here, sir. Fantastic. Here we are. Yes, the slippery sea dogs. Look how slippy he is. You can't even grab onto that post, look. Nice. Yes, again, they've either been midday drinking or God knows what. All they seem to do is sit around. Bloody wasters. Absolute Bahamas is this strange little man. Get a haircut. At the majestic swagger on this bastard. His pimp daddy haircut straight out of the 1980s. I say so. Fantastic. Look at this freaky little dude. It is renowned to be the world's smallest monkey, and I believe that's probably propaganda. I mean, but look at that luscious hairdo, man. Look at it. Beautiful. Amazing animal. Amazing animals.